Alright YouTube, what's up? This is BMX Boy 1996 here, coming back with a bike check, brand new bike check. Right here, 2010 Mirraco luxstar. We're gonna start from the front and go from top to bottom. Okay, right here, we got some local bike shop Delta grips in blue. They're really soft, but I don't really like them. I'm getting some Animal Edwins soon. They should be coming in the mail soon. Black label bars. Got some scuffs and stuff on them. Another Delta grip. Regular bar ends. Mirraco stem right there. Black label fork in the black. Red black label double wall rim, 36 hole. Got I want to say Mirraco hub, but I'm not positive. I might be black label, but it just said alloy on the Mirraco's website, so I don't know. Odyssey path tire, yeah. Oh, I can't see that, but it's path tire. Trust me on this one. The luxstar frame, took the stickers off, so it looks a lot better to me. Looks a lot like the We the People Scorpio though. Black label, plastic pivotal. I'm getting the Shadow Conspiracy Slimmer. Mirraco pivotal seat post with integrated clamp. I'm getting this stolen Thermalite in the mail also. Let's see. White KMC chain. It is loose, so don't comment on that. I already know that. Mirraco sprocket. Black label. Cranks. Odyssey twisted PC pedals. I mean, I am on the pedal over. Oh, we can't see, that's dark. Oh snap. But I'll point out, right here where my finger is, one of the little pegs are missing. Cause I don't know what happened to it. It fell off somewhere. And anyways, back in the rear we got an Odyssey path. Where's the Odyssey? There it is, right there. Another black label, double wall rim, alloy, cassette hub. It is really wobbly. I will stand up here and I will show you. That is without the bike moving at all. That is how loose it is. That's just the hub shell itself moving. That is craziness. I guess I will do a hub sound. Just let me find something to put this on. Alright. Alright, this is the hub sound. Not too loud, not too quiet, pretty good. But yeah, like I said, wobbles a lot. But yeah, overall, I'll give it about 9 out of 10 stars. And also forgetting one thing. I got my Odyssey JPEGs right here, the lighter. So you got the 3 cutouts, extra cutouts that are heat treated. I think they weigh like 11 ounces each. I'm not positive, but they're really light. So yeah, I am getting Animal Edwin grips in brown, or the gold, shadow seat, and stolen seat post. And yeah, this is my third bike check, or second bike check, but my first one had 2 parts which are really crappy, so yeah.